Welcome to True North Eavestroughing. We've been serving homeowners in the Durham region and Kawartha Lakes for over 20 years. At True North, we redefine perfection with our seamless eavesdropping systems. For example, this flawless installation not only enhances the look of your home, but also provides unparalleled protection. We take pride in being an elite installer for the Alarex gutter protection system. Say goodbye to clogs and maintenance nightmares as we safeguard your investment with cutting-edge technology. Quality is etched into every project we undertake. We partner with the finest suppliers such as Buchner Manufacturing, ensuring our installations stand the test of time. But we don't stop at eavesdropping alone. True North also specializes in new soffit and fascia installations, adding the perfect finishing touch to homes in need of a makeover. We are also known as the innovators of our industry. Over the years, we've used products like this downpipe diverter and cast aluminum brackets, increasing the curb appeal of your home. We also use the zip hinge, a downpipe extension hinge made to make your life easier. We are also proud members of the Durham Home Builders Association and backed by a $2 million liability insurance. Your trust and safety are our top priorities. Our commitment to excellence shines through in every project we undertake. We treat your home like it was ours. And with thousands of successful installations over the past 20 years, we've earned the trust of homeowners like you. Now it's your turn. Are you a homeowner seeking the finest in gutter system solutions? Contact us today for a personalized quotation and take the first step towards safeguarding your home with the best in the industry. True North Eavestroughing, your home, our passion.